Disabling two-factor authentication on Shopify can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. Click on it to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or button to disable it. Click on it to turn off the feature. Step 5. Confirm your choice. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow any additional instructions provided, such as entering your password, to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Shopify account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.